A guide to choosing the right hot water systems for your home. A hot water system is an essential part of every home, providing hot water for showers, baths, washing dishes, and more. Some important factors to consider when choosing a hot water system. The size and capacity of a hot water system are crucial factors to consider when choosing the right one for your home. Look for systems with high energy efficiency ratings, which indicate that they consume less energy to produce hot water. It's essential to consider not only the upfront cost of the system but also the ongoing costs of operation and maintenance. Research the maintenance requirements of different types of hot water systems to ensure that you can adequately care for your chosen system. Regularly maintain your hot water system to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. Some maintenance tasks you can perform yourself include checking for leaks, inspecting the pressure relief valve, and draining the tank to remove sediment buildup. Visit for more details www.herhotwater.com.au